everyone. We family students of RBVRI Women's College of Pharmacy would like to share a few viewpoints regarding the preparedness in life during and after COVID-19. Preparedness is a state of readiness. It is mostly for a war, but we think this pandemic is not less than a war. So we should all be brave and stand strong against the virus. Public health measures can slow down the transmission and spread of these infectious diseases. These measures can take the form of personal protection, environmental protection, social distancing, and travel-related interventions. So here are a few viewpoints regarding these measures. Please do watch the video.
The food that you eat play a key impact on our overall health and immunity. So eat low carbohydrate diet like meat, mushrooms, leafy vegetables, salads and walnuts, etc., which helps in controlling high blood pressure and high blood sugar levels, and also include seeds like sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds or flax seeds, which are an excellent source of vitamin E and protein.
Vitamin D. Vitamin D is the main source for the innate immune system. It is obtained from the natural sunlight. Vitamin D supplementation has been proven beneficial on the effects of the immune function and especially autoimmunity. Calcitriol, that is vitamin D's active form, is found to enhance the antimicrobial activity of macrophages and monocytes. Regular sun exposure is the most natural way to get vitamin D. 30 minutes of sunlight exposure at around 7 to 9 am in the morning each day is beneficial to maintain healthy blood levels of vitamin D.
Vitamin C is a crucial participant in immunity. It helps to prevent common cold and it also acts as a powerful antioxidant. For example, citrus juices like lemon, orange, broccoli, strawberry, tomatoes, sprouts, etc.
The bright yellowish spicy turmeric contains curcumin, which boosts the immune system. Garlic has a powerful anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties which immunizes the body. Ginger is rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and strengthens the immune system.
To fight COVID-19, zinc and omega-3 fatty acids are the vital compounds that fight the infection. These are mostly present in fish and egg. Zinc deficiency may lead to the flu, cold and other viral infections.
Staying as healthy as possible is one of the few preventive measures for COVID-19. One of the vital aspects is hydration. Drinking enough water is extremely important to keep our body healthy and to reduce the risk of infections. Especially drinking warm water kills the bacteria and virus which are present in our body. Because coronavirus, before it reaches to the lungs, it remains in the throat for at least 2 to 3 days. At this stage, the person begins to cough and have throat pains. So drinking warm water prevents the entry of virus into the lungs. Thus, it goes down through the esophagus and when it reaches to the stomach, which has an acid, the virus gets killed. This is how we eliminate the virus from our body. Once a day, inhale steam infused with mint leaves or caraway seeds. Once or twice a day, make a habit of drinking herbal tea which is made by using tulsi, which is nothing but basil leaves, dalchini, black pepper, dry ginger, jaggery or lemon juice. Drink milk with turmeric powder. Habituate the things which prevents the virus because prevention is better than cure.
Don't skip on exercise. If you haven't started exercising yet, then this is a good time to start. Exercising regularly for at least 30 to 45 minutes is good for our health. And practicing yoga, pranayama and meditation release our mental stress and increases our body metabolism, which directly correlates with our immunity.
Avoid smoking, alcohol and other addictive substances. Certain habits like smoking, alcohol consumption and other substance abuse is directly correlated with weakened body defense and respiratory illness. Engaging in smoking, vaping is proven to weaken lung capacity and destroying cells lining the respiratory tract. These cells are crucial in fighting against virus. So please avoid these habits to fight against COVID-19.
A good sleep for 7 to 8 hours is the best way to help your body to build immunity. Lesser sleep leaves you tired and impairs your brain's function. So please don't compromise on sleeping.
Coronavirus, when it falls on a metal surface, it will leave for 12 hours. So washing hands with soap and water is well enough. Coronavirus, when it falls on a fabric, it leaves for 9 hours. So washing clothes and being exposure to sun for 2 hours will meet the purpose of killing it. It lives on plastic for at least 3 days. So thoroughly wash the essentials with water and turmeric by leaving it outside, on copper for 4 hours and on paper and money for 4 days.
Avoid all kinds of non-essential travels. Most COVID-19 positive cases are imported cases which later spread to the communities. Avoid being exposed to the public transport system. In case you have to travel, make sure to cover your nose and mouth with a mask and carry an alcohol-based sanitizer at all times.
Manage stress in this pandemic condition. We are experiencing a lot of fear and lack of concentration in anxiety. Mind your health. Connect with friends and family using technology. Disconnect with fake news, rumors and excessive information. Plan a routine and find time to unwind. Keep yourself busy, exercise and sleep well. Be concerned and think of others. Take a deep breath and be positive. Be kind, be clean, take care